When the body stands in quiet poise, a deeper rhythm starts to show. A subtle current moves within, guiding all that comes and goes. The pulse of life begins to align. No rush, no force applied. The inner flow grows clear and strong, with steadiness as guide. Through mastery of living currents, the inner rhythm clears. What moves within the field of life grows calm, refined, sincere. The flow that enters, the flow that leaves, moves balanced, clear and true. And in this measured harmony, the soul comes into view. Vital force sustains the form and links the seen unseen. A living current through the field where matter meets the keen. When guided with awareness, this current steadies thought, aligning action with intent and purpose deeply taught. Through mastery of living currents, the inner rhythm clears. What moves within the field of life grows calm, refined, sincere. The flow that enters, the flow that leaves, moves balanced, clear and true. And in this measured harmony, the soul comes into view. No forceful will is placed upon the movement of this tide. Prepared through clarity and care, it flows both deep and wide. From ethical and steady ground, the channels open clean, and higher patterns come to rest where conflict once had been. In balanced flow, the self aligns with universal law. The rhythm of all thought and form moves steady, calm and sure. Here mastery is gently held with patience true.